In this video, I will be showing you how I commute to work using my fully electric 2022 RZ electric motorcycle and how you can too. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Balaclava up in this. What's going on, guys? In today's video we will be going over how to commute to work on an e-bike. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Here on the channel I basically let everyone know everything that I know about electric motorcycles. Now, I am no professional, no expert, no tutor, professor, mentor in any way or fashion on e-bikes or electric motorcycles, but I basically feel as though I have enough experience to let you guys know what's going on and we can build a community together. So if you're new here, definitely subscribe, join the community that we're building here. This video today, hopefully it'll help some of you guys decide whether or not on getting an electric motorcycle. I know when I was first thinking about getting my e-bike, this was the big deciding factor. Can I commute to work on it? So hopefully this can help some of you guys decide on whether or not you can get an e-bike and commute on it, and whether or not you're deciding if you already have an e-bike, should you do some commutes on days when you can. I basically letting you guys know everything that you need to know. I'll be going over gear, best methods to use, whether you're going light or heavy, and stay tuned to the very end of the video where I'll be going over some bonus tips and tricks for you guys. So like I said, this video is helpful, give it a huge thumbs up and let's get started. First, let's talk about best gear methods for commuting. No, I'm not talking about the gears on your electric motorcycle. I'm talking about the gear that you're wearing, guys. And of course, we're going to start with the essentials for your commute, your gear. You're going to have your helmet, your jacket, tail bag. You can always swap your tail bag out for a book bag, whether you're going light or heavy. Don't worry, we're going to get into that in a couple seconds. This is going to be a little office specific because I do work in an office, so you know, nice khaki pants and a shirt, or you can always swap the khaki pants out for the athletic type dress pants or work pants. Now those are the types of clothes that if you're going light that you're going to want to wear. The athletic type clothes that basically don't wrinkle too fast, and the best other way to prevent wrinkles for your ride is to go heavy. So you have two methods or two options at your disposal. You can either go light or go heavy. By going light, you wear your work clothes during your ride, your uniform, and it doesn't matter where you work, in an office, in a factory, in a restaurant, you can use this universally. But if you're gonna go light and wear your work clothes, always check the weather conditions for the day because you never know if it's gonna rain. The other option you have is to go heavy. Pack your uniform and wear whatever you wanna wear. Just make sure you have enough time when you get to work to get changed. Next, we're going to talk about daily commute and traffic conditions. First and foremost, you're going to want to always check the weather before your ride. I can't tell you how many times I woke up for my morning commute, did not check the forecast, and ended up paying for it throughout the rest of the day. That's something that you definitely don't want to happen. So the best way to prevent this is to check the weather before your ride and give it a double check because the weather may change. So always check. Always charge up overnight before your ride, and also at work during work hours if needed. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, or if you're new here to the channel, I do talk a lot about optimizing your battery usage in my videos, so definitely check out some more videos on that. But that's definitely going to be one of the best ways to optimize your battery. During your commute, there are going to be two types of people on the road. I call those speed demons and sandstormers, okay? Now, this can be any time of day. Speed demons are the people who are either late to work or very eager to get home after work. And the sandstormers are the people who are half asleep in the morning or basically drained at the end of the day and not paying attention to what they're doing on the road. So it's going to be best to always be scanning, always be paying attention to your surroundings when you're riding, just to make sure that you're always safe when you're out there on the road. If you're doing a morning commute, always be mindful of when school buses are going to be coming and what time you're going to be there, so you're not late during your morning commute, and also traffic for rush hour. And finally, for today, some tips and tricks for how to commute to work using an electric motorcycle. First tip is you're gonna want to plan ahead at least 30 minutes. Okay, you're not just getting in a car and going. Okay, this process is going to take steps. Like I said, in that sense, it's going to be a process every single day if you're going to be a daily rider like how I am. If not, make sure on the days that you do ride that you do plan ahead, just to make sure that everything that you have is in order and you're not missing any things on your ride, or when you get to work and you're just lost because you missed a few things. Second tip is you're gonna want to find the fastest routes for travel. This is basically going to optimize your battery use, especially if you're going to try to use your bike after work or when you're done with work. For me, for the most part, when I'm going to work, that's the only thing I'm using my bike for that day, because in between work I'm charging it to get home, and when I get home I'm charging it to get to work tomorrow. It's kind of just a cycle routine process. But if you plan on using your bike after work, or just optimizing your battery usage for commuting to work, the best thing to do is find the fastest route. Third tip is, when in doubt, just don't ride. Sometimes if you're not in the mood, not feeling it, don't do it. You know what I mean? Don't take the risk, because every single day you do get on a bike, it's a risk you're taking. You do got to think about that. And the last tip, and most important, is to make sure you leave a like on this video. It'll definitely be a huge help to this channel, help growing this channel, help growing the community I'm trying to build here for anybody who rides e-bike, or who has an electric motorcycle. So make sure you leave a comment on this video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you're not subscribed.